this is our home away from home for the next week. Kind of tiny, but I think we'll make it work. We do have a closet space here, so we do have some life jackets in case of, you know, for safety essentials. We have some robes, plenty of storage space for whatever miscellaneous items or suitcases, things like that. Let's see what's in the bathroom situation.
So here's the bathroom. We have a sharp trap. Fine, there's some, you know, storage here. Should be nice. All the normal bathroom things and a really small shower. As you can see, it really fits me well.
Seems fine for me. I don't know. I don't know what you're complaining about. All right, we got a little coffee bar. Some more storage options, I guess. Our bed for the day, or for the week, I guess, which looks pretty sizable actually. It takes up plenty of room. A nice mirror in the back to add a little bit of space. We did have an option for an add-on guest, which we chose not to take, but they would have slept on this lovely conversion from the couch into a bed. Kind of glad we didn't end up with an extra roommate. It might have been kind of cramped. We got some desk workspace, mini bar, which unfortunately we will not be partaking in. Otherwise, more storage space. Got a safe for all the essentials. Okay, this is what we've truly all been waiting for. This is what we decided to upgrade, you know, from the traditional portal or the interior room. This is what we have for the week. So, currently showing a lot of the buildings downtown Honolulu, but soon enough we'll be either seeing the coastline or out into the Pacific, hopefully some beautiful sunrises or sunsets, all of which we can enjoy in privacy from our own room. Here's our suitcase.
That white suitcase right there is ours.
And that's our room. So now we're gonna go enjoy the ship and enjoy some drinks.